Experiencing problems with your StarTech dock on your Mac? You're not alone. Many users face issues with USB-C connectivity, power delivery, and display outputs. First, ensure your dock is directly connected to your Mac, not through extenders. Check for macOS updates. Apple frequently releases compatibility patches. For USB-C issues, go to System Information, USB, to see if the dock is recognized. Power problems? Verify power delivery and system report power. For display problems, try another cable or manually detect displays in System Preferences. Most importantly, visit StarTech's support site and use their AI-powered troubleshooter for real-time diagnostics based on your dock model and macOS version. Always prioritize updating macOS first, as this often resolves the core issue. Firmware updates are crucial for resolving compatibility issues between StarTech docks and macOS. Visit the StarTech support site to download the latest firmware for your specific dock model. Note, you may need a Windows PC or virtual machine for the update. Cable compatibility is paramount. Avoid third-party cables and use StarTech's certified cables, especially for power delivery, ensuring you have at least PD 3.0 for Macs. If displays flicker, a firmware update will solve it. By addressing these key fixes, firmware updates, and verified cables, you can resolve 90% of common StarTech dock problems on Macs.